wondered how small Parisian apartments feel so effortlessly elegant? Curious how French interiors blend historic charm, modern comfort, and clever space design to create homes that feel stylish yet relaxed? Looking for ways to bring that iconic Parisian aesthetic into a compact flat without making the space feel crowded? And interested in subtle decorative touches like fresh flowers, cafe-style tables, vintage accents, and seasonal decor that make a space feel chic yet beautifully lived in? Stay with us, because today we're exploring Parisian apartment interior design ideas for small French flats, showing how you can create timeless elegance even in compact spaces. What defines the classic Parisian apartment style? The classic Parisian apartment style blends historic architecture with understated elegance. Traditional elements such as tall windows, ornate mouldings, parquet flooring, and decorative fireplaces form the architectural foundation. Inside this historic shell, the decor remains simple yet refined, allowing the beauty of the space itself to shine. Why do Parisian apartments feel stylish even when small? Parisian interiors focus on curation rather than quantity. Instead of filling rooms with furniture, homeowners select a few meaningful pieces that complement the architecture. This thoughtful balance between space, light, and decor allows even small apartments to feel graceful and airy. If you love elegant European interior ideas, like this video and share it with someone who appreciates French design. Which color palettes are typical in Parisian interiors? Soft neutral palettes are the hallmark of Parisian interiors. Cream, warm white, pale beige, and soft grey create a calm base that reflects natural light beautifully. These tones also allow decorative elements, like artwork or furniture, to stand out without overwhelming the room. How can contrast add sophistication to a small flat? Contrast adds visual depth while maintaining elegance. Dark wood furniture, black picture frames, antique bronze accents, or marble surfaces introduce richness into a neutral space. These subtle contrasts help define the room while preserving its refined atmosphere. Tell us in the comments which Parisian design element you love the most. What furniture styles suit Parisian apartments? Furniture in Parisian interiors often combines classic elegance with modern simplicity. Pieces with curved legs, carved details, or antique finishes sit comfortably beside sleek modern sofas or minimalist tables. This blend of old and new creates the effortless sophistication Parisian homes are known for. What role do architectural details play in Parisian design? Architectural details are often the stars of the room. Decorative wall mouldings, ceiling roses, tall doors, and elegant fireplaces add depth and character. Even in modern flats, adding simple wall mouldings can recreate the charm of classic Parisian architecture. How should lighting be styled in a Parisian apartment? Lighting should feel soft and atmospheric. Chandeliers, table lamps, and wall sconces provide layered illumination that enhances the apartment's warmth. Warm lighting also highlights architectural details and creates a cozy evening ambiance. Subscribe for more elegant European interior design inspiration. How can balconies be styled in Parisian fashion? Balconies are iconic features of Parisian living. Even the smallest balcony can become a charming retreat with a cafe table, folding chairs, and potted flowers. This small outdoor corner becomes a place to enjoy coffee, fresh air, and city views. What decorative accents add authentic French charm? Decorative accents should feel personal rather than staged. Fresh flowers in glass vases, art books on coffee tables, vintage trays, and ceramic bowls create effortless elegance. These items add character while keeping the space relaxed. Love these Parisian design ideas? Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can artwork elevate a Parisian interior? Art plays an important role in Parisian decor. Gallery walls with classic paintings, black and white photography, or abstract prints create visual interest. Frames in gold, black, or antique finishes enhance the sophisticated look. What role do textiles play in Parisian apartments? Textiles soften the architectural lines of the space. Linen curtains, textured rugs, velvet cushions, and wool throws add comfort while maintaining the elegant aesthetic. Natural fabrics keep the interior light and breathable. Explore more European interior inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. What small details create the Parisian lived-in chic feeling? Parisian interiors are known for their effortless imperfection. Books casually stacked on tables, slightly relaxed flower arrangements, and vintage accessories create authenticity. The charm lies in creating a home that feels curated, yet naturally lived in. If you enjoy timeless European decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you achieve Parisian style on a budget? Achieving Parisian style doesn't require luxury purchases. Explore vintage markets, repaint older furniture, and focus on high-quality textures like linen or wood. Parisian interiors celebrate character, creativity, and personal taste rather than expensive decor. Parisian apartment interiors prove that elegance has little to do with size. By combining soft color palettes, curated furniture, vintage accents, and thoughtful lighting, even the smallest flat can feel refined and welcoming. Highlight architectural charm, embrace simplicity, and add personal touches, and your home can capture the timeless beauty of Parisian living. If you enjoyed these Parisian interior design ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love European decor. Tell us your favorite Parisian decor element in the comments below. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more elegant home styling ideas.